What is up, guys?
I got scared. I thought something happened. I was gonna say, what is up?
We got Andy, part of the police academy today. He's making a big step. So
coffee,
basically
bro.
what's happening is he's picking up a Porsche today. With this trailer, old Porsche. It's something like a 914 Porsche or something.
No, come on, bro. Look, 1976 911 Carrera 911S. Take that in your pipe and smoke it.
You heard the man. Well, we're gonna pick it up. Andy's gonna do a renovation on it, and
I mean, he's gonna attempt to.
he's gonna attempt to, and then he's gonna blow up on social media and become a star.
Esteban.
Yeah. Esteban's gonna do the renovation. Andy's gonna be the pockets behind it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Anyways, moral of the story is, I bought a car, a 1976 Porsche 911S on P Car Market. Crap, I don't know my login. I've never seen it in person. And I want to rebuild it. And I got dirtbags calling me. Ain't nobody got time for that. Here, I'm trying to find the car. Oh, there it is.
Right, so
I bid it up.
we're dealing with.
I bought it. Now we're gonna go pick it up.
What'd you buy it for?
26,550. 526. 26,550. 26. 526.
30 and 30 and 30, 20, 30. You want to bet
And then I have to pay P Car Market a bunch of money because their dirtbags want money also. You know, nobody works for free. We're gonna go pick up this gem. Sport seats. Look at that bad boy. Whew. Oh yeah, all original.
It's a baddie.
Leatherette. 911S. Otis, Oregon. Off to the beach we go. 301 space.
You know Andy's ready to be a dad when he types with his pointer finger.
Well,
Okay, let's see how far the
Creek.
first investment of this Porsche build is starting off with.
nice.
How far? Hour and 28. That's not bad.
That's not bad at all.
All right, Andy, how do you feel making the biggest Porsche career move of your life right now? You've been a Porsche owner before, but you've never built one.
I'm at loss of words. I don't know. Hopefully this is a lot better than I expected. Hopefully the pictures make it look worse than I expect.
All right, Andy's meeting his. Oh, there he is, meeting his owner for the first time. Oh, happily waiting for us. Andy, you nervous?
I gotta take a piss, yeah. Your dad?
Yeah, it was my dad's, and he passed away, and I was going to keep it, but you know, enough time's passed now, and I'm
Yep.
time to
Nice.
do other things.
So I'm hoping this one's not too rusty.
Yeah, this one's been out here, not on, you know, not in town on the beach, so it's far less, you know,
We'll
exposed
see.
to the salt. Good
Here's
up.
the cashier's check.
Oh yeah, thank you.
All right, my first drive.
Taste a little smoke a little bit when I get her started, but
We love smoke.
okay.
She's smoking, all right. See, looking like old yellow crack shack to me. Here he goes. Bringing old Betsy around. Hey, buddy, shut up. We're trying to film a vlog here.
I'll get the ramps out and everything. Let me grab my gloves.
Police officer Andy to the rescue.
You got a winch to pull it up on?
No.
Oh, you don't? Okay.
Thunder and lightning.
We should probably get our rolling star on there because Thunder only got so much CC. What do you think of the interior?
It's actually not bad.
Better or worse than you thought?
The interior is better, but the rust is worse.
Russ is worse?
Yeah.
That's a thick boy.
We're just gonna have to push, and once we get up there, just hold it until I pull the e-brake, okay?
I mean, you could run, give us a run start and then hop inside if you can.
Let's go, let's go.
Push hard.
All right.
Come on, baby.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh, golly. Oh, Betsy slipping.
Tell them we'll do our best to try to revamp it. All right. Okay.
Okay. 2, 3.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Come on over that hill.
1, 2. I think that's good.
Yeah, it's right over the axle.
I think it's perfect. I don't mind it.
You guys,
Closing that.
this time of year. Thanks, you guys.
You got my number?
Yeah, I'll keep you in mind.
Yeah.
That's good. She's ready to haul.
You might come back.
Sweet. All
All right,
right.
guys,
Thank
see
you.
you. Drive home.
And you got to make the notorious snap.
Come to Papa, let's go.
Andy, what do you think about your purchase? Give us a quick rundown.
It's a little more rusted than I expected, but I was kind of hoping to be better than I thought. But you know what? I see the diamond in the rough.
You think you see something in here?
I do. Could be a lot of long hours in my future, but still see it.
If you ask me, I don't see nothing. But
It's
Andy
a
says,
911S, bro.
all right, 17 hours later, pull up to the Mikasa.
17 hours later.
It's
Please,
straight.
bro. That was like half an hour later.
It's true. We just made a pit stop in Salem. Had in and out some crepes. Ate way too much food. But we on out of here.
Sure.
She's still rusty, so it's still a red flag.
Still tight like a tiger.
Are you still happy about your purchase?
Yeah,
All right, we found the first red flag.
Got it!
Oh, wow.
Oh, we got all the carpet here.
Wow. You can put that in your living room.
What a dirtbag. Wouldn't even give me a battery.
Wait, where's the engine?
I left it at his place.
Oh, he sold you the Porsche without the engine?